A great stopover. Very easy and quick check-in, friendly staff and great value for money with breakfast included. Beds were comfortable and bathroom clean with modern facilities. New and clean and very comfortable. New and clean rooms at a very reasonable rate in a quiet area. Exceptional. Extremely nice staff at reception. Very helpful. Exceptional. Friendly staff, great value for money, would really recommend. Love this place. Very nice atmosphere, heart. Staff is very nice and very nice and clean rooms. Cheap parking for full night. Love this place. Exceptional. It was very clean. Exceptional. All of it. We'll be back, very good for the money. Lovely location, staff friendly. Excellent. The staff were super friendly and helpful. The location is great and the hotel is very good value for money. Clean and comfortable. Fabulous. The hotel was well laid out. Rooms were a good size, with all necessary equipment. Bed linen and towels were good. Breakfast at a good price with good range and amount of food and beverages. I enjoyed my very short stay. Room very clean and spacious, the bed was comfortable, bathroom clean and spacious. Fabulous. Enormous room, for Europe, and enormous bathroom, clean, comfortable, lots of sockets for the battery chargers. The bedroom lights were good, although it took me a minute to find fee switches on the bottom. Shower controls were also new to me, temperature control at one end, volume control at the other. Great buffet breakfast. Tremendous value for the money.